Hey there, hope you're doing well. We are back for day 9 of the 12 Days of Christmas Designs with this two-toned multicolored chrome blingy set. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and we'll get started in a second. Starting as always with naked nails, I'm going to do 2 coats of black gel polish on the thumb, index, and pinky fingers. Once that's all cured, I'm going to go in with Marshmallow from the Gel Bottle ink. This is one of my favorite sort of just sheer nude colors to use as a base for any French negative space nail art. It's just a really perfect, universal, slightly pink shade. So I'm going to do 2 coats of that on my 2 middle fingers here. After that, I'm going to go in and I'm going to do an elongated French in black gel polish because this is going to get chrome as well. So just on the middle finger, I'm going to take a detail brush. This is the oval brush from Après, and I just got it and I really like it, so I'm excited to play with it a little bit more for detail work. I did 2 coats because I wanted to make sure that my chrome had a nice solid background to go on top of. I want the nude portion of these 2 middle nails to be matte, so I'm taking Luxa Velveteen Matte and I'm just going to go ahead and cure that off and then come back with a no wipe top coat in preparation for my chrome. This Dipped in Pretty top coat is really affordable and it's been really nice. I've been using it with my chrome in the last few videos and it's held up nicely and the chrome adheres really well to it. So I would recommend it if you're looking for a good top coat to do chrome on top of. This is the Wildflowers Teal Chrome. It came in a chrome kit. So I'm just going to smooth that into every area that has black gel polish. And then dust off any excess. And we're ready for some detail. So I'm just coming through and doing some drapey sort of ornament looking garland style hand painted art. You can call it whatever you want. It's just a little bit of like, yeah, some ornaments. So I'm just going to do some longer loops and some shorter loops. This is of course my trusty Beetles gel polish detailer brush and I'm just kind of freestyling this. So it's time for some bling. Of course, my diamond gel. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna put a flame. This is just a crystal clear flame. I'm using crystal clear and crystal AB in this particular look. So I'm going in with 1 flame, 2 trapeze, and then underneath the trapeze I'm going to use an SS16 I believe, and then the rest of them are SS9s and SS5s for the white opal. Crystal placement is definitely a little bit of a skill. I have found that I get a lot better. I have gotten a lot better at sort of just naturally seeing where I want the crystals to go and picking out the proper sizes. I still, move things around quite a bit, which is why I like to use the gel instead of a glue or a resin. However, I don't feel like I make as many mistakes. So if you're struggling with your crystal placement, I definitely recommend testing out your placement on your table before you go to apply things to the nails so you don't get crystal gel all over your crystals, but also just to keep practicing, right? You may shy away from adding crystals to designs on your own nails, or maybe adding them or trying to upcharge your customers to add crystals, but the more you practice, certainly the better you will get, as with anything. So I'm just adding some caviar beads. I've been wanting to do one of these sort of like offset ring finger clusters for a while, and I love how it turned out. I'm using the caviar beads to fill the spaces so it looks really full and almost like jewelry. Once everything is in place, I'm just going to go in with my matte top coat once again, and I'm just going to butt that right up next to the caviar beads. You could go over the caviar beads to seal them in a little bit if you want to, but definitely don't go over your crystals. And this is the finished look. I think it is so beautiful. The chrome is really cool. It sort of switches from blue to green depending on the angle, and I feel like the crystals really just set the look off. Hopefully you guys think so too. See you tomorrow for day 11. Bye guys.